In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your location in Roblox. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. While the Roblox account creating process, sometimes it can be happen that Roblox will pick a wrong address for you. To change the Roblox account password, first you need to click on this gear icon and select on setting. Now scroll down, then you'll find account location. Most of the cases have the option appear that help you to change your Roblox account location. But if this doesn't appear on your Roblox account, then you need to scroll down and click on help. Now select Roblox account. On the search field, you need to search location and select account location. Now scroll down and click support form. On this support form, you need to type your username, first name, email address and confirm the email address. Now come to the main part, issue details. On the first drop down box, you need to select PC, type of health category, how to, and select how to change my location. On this box, you need to briefly describe what's the issue and why you want to change your current location on your Roblox account and click on the continue button. Then Roblox customer support team will review your application and help you to change your country on Roblox account.